Through the integrations features, you can easily add a YouTube playlist and make it available in the catalog of your learners. First of all, make sure that YouTube is connected. If it's not connected, it's very easy. In the content suppliers part, you will see the logo YouTube and just click on connect. Here, YouTube is already connected. Then, to add a playlist, click on add a playlist. Go on YouTube and copy the URL of the playlist you want to add. Do a paste. It's very important. This is a recommendation that in the URL, the word playlist, it's indicated, it's mentioned. Then give a name to your playlist, for example, here, webinar. Then choose the language of your videos. Have a look at the access, if it's for everyone, so all the camps, or just one camp, and choose which one. When it's finished, click on Add. And that's it. In a few seconds, your learners will have access to this video in their catalog.